Okay, so today we're going to learn about a Luxembourgish word that has 5 E's in it. Ooh, I know. Streamer, right? S-T-R-A-A-A-A-M-A. Air. Straight emer translates to a bucket of grit and salt. You're right, but the Luxembourgish word I'm thinking of has 5 E's in a row. Luxembourgish has a special word for bucket of grit and salt? For rock salt. Straight emer is the bucket that you keep it in. Does Luxembourgish have a lot of bucket-related words? Not a lot. Anyway, the Luxembourgish word with 5 E's in a row is zweeëisch. Oh, right, zweeëisch. It means dizygotic. As if I know what dizygotic means. Dizygotic means non-identical, like non-identical twins. And zweeëisch is spelled Z-V-A-A-A-A-A, the last one with an umlaut. Okay. 5 E's isn't weird enough? You gotta have an umlaut on the last one? I think it's to change the last E sound to an sound. Correct. Otherwise it'd be zwiesch, 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 zwiesch. Was that my phone?